Hi everyone, it is time for our garlic to harvest. This episode covers harvest of hardneck garlic, curing and few interesting things about growing these bulbs. Garlic has delicious taste and reputation as a healthy food. Allium sativum is its scientific name and popular with gardeners. It is usual plant in the garden because it need full 9 months to finish one crop. In general, garlic is ready for harvesting when the lower leaves start to brown. The only way to be sure is to dig up a few bulbs and slice them in half. If cloves are in shape and hard to touch, it's time to harvest. Harvesting too soon will result in smaller cloves that don't store well. However, leaving the bulbs in the ground too long causes the cloves to burst out of their skins, making them vulnerable to disease and unable to be stored. So, timing is quite important when it comes to harvesting and storing garlic. We shouldn't wash garlic after harvest as we do to onions. Just brush up the soil thoroughly and cure them for 3 to 4 weeks. I had 2-3 batches sowed in week difference, few grown in full shade, few in partial and the other under full sun. Plant grew up under sun considerably produced huge bulbs compared to other plants. Not only garlic but any other plants in my garden started grew without much knowledge because I am doing it for the first time. But I do a lot of research to learn during growing season. So I would say that gardening is not hard at all. All you need is interest and time. Let's see how to store them. Keep garlic in a dark, cool place where it will still get some air circulation. 32 to 40 degrees Fahrenheit is ideal temperature for them. Braiding and hanging garlic is a good way to store it. I am going to use large bulbs as seeds to next crop because these are organically grown garlics in my garden. These are hardneck variety. I just used garlic I bought to use from store and sew entire bulb including outer big and inner small cloves. But I lately learned that always sew big size cloves to get big size garlic bulbs. So next time I will follow that method and will use full sun area to grow them. Few weeks before pull garlic bulbs, I have harvested garlic scapes, which are the tender stem and flower bud of a hardneck garlic plant, as you see here, and used fresh flavorful scapes in cooking as an alternate to garlic. I did not feed these plants with any additional fertilizer. Since these are long living plants, we will look at them for the first few months while greens started growing, and later we don't pay much attention other than just watering along with other plants in the garden. Garlic is sow and harvest type. It doesn't need much attention, and also I did not see any diseases in this crop. I have cured them by keeping it in shelf of my garage. 3 bunches you see here are harvested in 3 continuous weeks. I cut stems off on cured garlic and leave non-cured garlics as is. We'll do that later. Some garlic bulbs are really in good size and some are normal. Very few got small which were under shade almost 6 months of their life. So that's all about my garlic growing experience. Hope you like the harvest and information mentioned. Please subscribe, like and comment on the content. We'll see you next time.